ಇವರು ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಚಯವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಬಾಲಿವುಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ, ಅದು ಜಾನ್ ತೆರೆ ನಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಚಿತ್ರದಿಂದ.
कल कॉलेज बंद हो जाएगा, तुम अपने घर को जाओगे, फिर एक लड़का एक लड़की से जुदा हो जाएगा, वो मिल नहीं पाएगा.
ಜಾನ್ ತೆರೆ ನಾಮ್ ಚಿತ್ರದಿಂದ ಪರಿಚಯವಾದ ಈ ಹುಡುಗಿ, ಈ ಬೆಡಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಡ್ಡೆ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೂ ಜಾನ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ಅವರ ಅಭಿನಯದ ಪರಿಮಳದ ಪಸರನ್ನು ಬೀರಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಾರನ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರು ಮರೆಯದ ಚಿತ್ರ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು.
ಅಕ್ಕ ನಿನ್ ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಲಕ್ಕ ಲಕ್ಕ ಅಂತ ಹೊಳಿತಿರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಬೇಕು. ಓ
ಕನಸುಗಾರರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಂದಿಯ ಅವರು ನಟಿಸಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ದಾದನ ಜೊತೆ, ಅದು ರಾಯರು ಬಂದರು ಮಾವನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿರವಾಗುವಂಥ ಈ ಪಾತ್ರ, ಈ ಹಾಡು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ.
ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಚಂದ, ಮೌನದ ರೂಪವೇ ಅಂದ, ಚಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಂದವಂತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಅಂದವು.
ಸುಮಾರು 33-34 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕನಸುಗಾರನ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗಲೇ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನೇರ ಮಾತುಕತೆ, ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟೀಕರಣ, ಅಡಗಿದ್ದ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ ಹಲವಾರು ಸತ್ಯಗಳು ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ. ಬಿಂದಿಯ ಅವರ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಮತ್ತು ಬಹಿರಂಗ.
Raghuji, I want to tell you one thing. Everything happened very organically. The opportunities came on my plate. I did it. When I fell in love with my husband, we just got married instantly. Everything just happened. Sankranti banto rato rato manasalli bito bito la 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 viraitu hotuttugo matayitu matayitu mutayitu mayalli nara dum dum tarata, like that. Ravi ji kind of supported me when it came to, she's new, she doesn't know the language, so he helped me quite a lot. So that was very bad. I am really dil se sorry to Ravi ji, because he gave me such a big break. It wasn't, I won't say I won or he won. It just kind of withdraw. The case was withdraw because there was no proof of me saying something like this.
As a Ravi sir fan, I'm telling thanks for clarifying these things today. Really, there were a lot of assumptions and some other things by these few journalists, what they have done at those times. But thank you so much for clearing all those things very neatly. Thank you so much.
And I seriously am telling you, Raghuji, I wish you could give him my message that after even 33 years, I owe him a very big apology of not taking a stand. You will be shocked. My secretary told me there is one song only, not the whole film, with Vishnu sir. Vishnu sir name I heard and I said I'll do it. Because no more, I went to his house also to meet his wife, Bharti ji. I was in Bangalore that time, so I went to meet her also. Okay, my husband is an ex-former cricketer, Mr. Manoj Prabhakar. So much of love I've got from the Kannada people that I really want to thank them so much, and for not forgetting Halli Mestru and for remembering me still now. What to say about Hindi audience? I don't want to say anything to them because they are not fans. They are just glamour, heroine hai, Jaan Tere Naam hai, Madhuri Dixit lagti hai. They talk like that. So they don't. I don't call them real fans. I call real fans to people who appreciate my work in the film. The Kannada industry or my Tamil industry, they have appreciated my work, the character which I've played. I'm sorry to everyone. I've disappointed his fans and I never said anything wrong, and I know